Hey everybody, welcome back. Stone Broke Adventure. VEVOR sent us this nice screen enclosure pop-up tent to test out, bring you an up-close look. Stick around, we're gonna show you all the details and how to assemble this thing. Super easy. Don't open this yet, thing's brand new. Let's see what comes in the package. Looks like we have a canopy cover here. The tent assembly there. Got a couple poles, extra poles. And tent stakes. Let's see what comes. Tent stakes and tie down ropes. Actually, if you look at the tent stakes here, nice high quality tent stakes. I like that. Nice heavy duty with the little nylon hooks on the end. They're not the little cheap, just little cheap steel ones. We have the instruction manual. And of course it comes with the carry bag. Let's go ahead and get this thing unwrapped and we'll set it up. It does come with a couple of these little tie-up straps. Once you get it all bundled together, you can just go ahead and snap tie these together. Nice. All we got to do is just go ahead and open this up. Right, it's going to spread out nice and even. And then what we look for is a little pull rope on one side. You pull a side out and then you just continue around, find the pull rope, just like this. And we got another one set up. Pops into place. Just like that. For the ceiling, we got 3 of these tent poles. Each one of the poles has a nice little Velcro strap on it to hold the poles in place. We're gonna hit all 6 sides of the 3 poles. We have the opening side support poles here that'll keep this opening nice and square. Now if we want, we can install the canopy poles. So we have the canopy up. We have the screen here in the front that we can roll up, have these nice little toggle clips. Also drop the canopy down, roll it up. It has toggle clips also. Every one of the panels, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panels here. We have an outdoor screen. Little Velcro tabs. We can open these up. Same thing, we can roll them up and toggle them in place. Just like that. That thing looks nice. That is a real fine mesh screen. That's a no-seam screen on that. You're not gonna get any insects coming in through that super fine screen. We have tie down points all along the top, and then we can stake it down along the bottom. We have this real nice apron down here on the bottom. We do have a screen ceiling on this thing, but it does come with this heavy duty Rainfly with these little toggle bungees. These toggle bungees are gonna attach into the little clips on the corners. Notice here too, we got these little peekaboo windows if we want to open those up, just to have a little spot to look out without having to open up this whole entire screen side. So that's the VEVOR Pop-Up Screen Enclosure. You can use this thing for picnics. You can actually use it for camping. You're not going to get any bugs in there with that apron and that real fine mesh screen. We're really happy with this pop-up tent. So from Stone Broke Adventure, until next time, bloop.